Hey there, this is Jojo with your Daily Tree Charge, coming to you from the earth, grounding, beautiful tree helping uplift my vibration and frequency. Thank you. And I just want to talk to you about some tuning forks. And today I want to talk to you about two tuning forks from the Biofield tuning. Now the first one is the Sonic Slider. It is a weighted tuning fork. So when it's struck, it vibrates. You can hear a hum, but it's not very audible unless it's close to the ear. So we strike it and we can place it on the body. So you may want to put it here on the lung meridian or up on the trapezius to relax the shoulders. It is the 12th harmonic of the Schumann resonance, and the Schumann resonance is the frequency that the earth vibrates. So it's very healing and beneficial, and it brings that extra earthing. The frequency is 93.96 hertz. Now, in frequency specific microcurrent treatments, that frequency resonates with the medulla at the back of the head, the hindbrain. Where's the hindbrain? It's the medulla. It's part of the brain that tells the body if it's safe or not, whether we can relax, whether we can let go of past injuries and trauma, or do we have to stay in protective mode. So I've been using that so soothing, as well as it's beautiful. It's great for the face and toning and moving lymph and things like that, just general good stuff. I've been combining it with this 89 hertz tuning fork, also from Biofield tuning. This one is part of the Fibonacci sequence set. There's two that comes from the Biofield tuning. This one is 89 hertz, the other pair is 144 hertz, and they are the 11th and 12th sequence in the Fibonacci sequences, but this is the 11th. And I like this for a few reasons. One is that 89 hertz resonates with the midbrain, in frequency specific microcurrents. So if we combine this 89 with the Sonic Slider at 93.96, so 94 hertz is the medulla in frequency specific microcurrent. So that's very close, so I'm going with it. So together we can calm the brain and encourage the body to just relax and to let it know we are safe and it's okay. We don't have to keep vigilant and in this state of looking out and making sure you're safe, because that's old stuff that we no longer need to be safe from. It's past, but our subconscious hasn't quite grasped that yet, and it's still keeping us safe, and it thinks it's doing us a good job. So we just have to let it know, thank you, and it's time to move on. So I do like it that way, and I also like combining the Sonic Slider specifically with other frequencies to help the medulla tell that part of the body that it's safe and we can relax, like a muscle maybe hanging on tight to protect an injured area, thinking that that's what it needs to do, because the medulla is saying, hey, that's what you need to do. You're not allowed to slack, do your job, keep the body safe, and it's no longer required. So we just have to encourage that information to be sent to the right area so that we can release the stored and trapped energy and just not have to hang on to that anymore. So that's why I like using those two. There is one more reason. Now, one is 89 hertz. The Sonic Slider is 93.96 hertz. Now, the difference between them is 4.96 hertz, which is in the frequency of theta, where we can go into our subconscious, pull out old belief systems, reprogram, download new ones, and improve our life by doing that. Now, to get the brain into a theta brainwave, we can use these two forks for a binaural beats effect. So we would strike one fork and then listen to it in the one ear, and at the same time strike the other fork and have that in the other ear. Obviously I can't do that with a phone in my hand, but you would do that and have the frequencies going between the brain, and the brain then entrains to the frequency difference, so it causes the brain waves to then slip into a theta brainwave. So it's a quicker way to reach that deep meditative state. It's great to access the subconscious. It's great for reprogramming, visualization, and just general relaxation and good things, all the good things. And I'm not going to play those two as a tune-up because you won't really hear them, but in the honor of the Capricorn full moon, the second one this year, and it's a Capricorn full moon, which is an earth sign. The sun is in Cancer, which is a water sign. I will do a water earth combination with the tuning forks and the elements, creating the intervals that stimulate the water and the earth element. So I will be back with that.